Here we go. And here's a table looks with Teacher's Pet, and was burned on May 10th, 2004.
No, I've been looking that up, and so we're getting some DVD offers.
Following previous acts of volunteers with Motion Picture Association America.
Time ever on Disney DVD.
I think there's something written here, but it's hard to make out.
Why? 10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
It's an exhilarating, fun-filled adventure with the hilarious characters you love. Now in a spectacular first-ever digital presentation. The Aladdin Special Edition on Disney DVD. With bonus features fit for a sultan.
Absolutely marvelous.
Experience a deleted song found in the Disney Vault. Play new games.
Now I know I'm dreaming.
Soar on a virtual magic carpet ride and go beyond the movie to uncover never-before-seen movie secrets. The Aladdin Special Edition 2-disc DVD. Coming October 5th, 2004. Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous acts of volunteers by the Motion Picture Association America.
I can't come to dinner. I got the I gotta go. Maybe just a salad and yeah. Oh, and some rice cakes.
Yeah.
Coming soon to own on DVD and video.
Following previous acts of volunteers by the Motion Picture Association America.
All new on Disney DVD and video. Walt Disney Pictures proudly presents Mickey, Donald, and Goofy in an all-new motion picture event. The Three Musketeers.
I want bodyguards.
Have I got the men for you?
Oh boy.
If you think you can do, get some berry and you know this. Musketeers, you see so fearsome. Musketeers, all for one and one for all for one. Hey, all for one and one for all for one. Hey, all for one and one for all and all for one and one for all and all for one and all.
Premiering only on Disney DVD and video. Mickey, Donald, and Goofy, starring in The Three Musketeers. Summer 2004.
All for one and one for all.
Following previous stats were volunteers by the Motion Picture Association of America.
The Circle of Life continues as the legacy of the Lion King concludes in The Lion King 2 Simba's Pride Special Edition.
We are one. We are part of each other. One day I won't be here, and I need you to carry on in my place.
My name's Cobra. I'm Kiara.
Two different worlds must unite
These lands belong to Scar. Get out.
to save the Pride Lands.
What is your destiny?
I will avenge Scar.
Scar, oh, heck of a guy. A little moody, but
Featuring 6 original songs. Original Lion King voice cast.
roar! Work with me!
And an all-new short film, one by one, produced by the creators of The Lion King. Walt Disney Pictures invites you to experience the magic of The Lion King legacy and complete the Circle of Life with the special edition release of The Lion King 2 Simba's Pride on Disney DVD and video this fall.
Following previous stats were both volunteers by the Motion Picture Association of America.
From one of the greatest filmmakers of all time, who brought you the Academy Award-winning Spirited Away, come 3 magical films of wonder and adventure. Enter the world of Hayao Miyazaki. Experience his epic masterpiece, Nausicaa of the Valley of the Wind. Enjoy the freedom of flight of Porco Rosso. Let your imagination soar in My Neighbor Totoro. One of the most beloved of all family films.
Totoro came back, Dad. I saw it.
You must have met one of the spirits of the forest. 3 enchanting films, acclaimed by Miyazaki fans and sure to be embraced by families for generations to come. Only on DVD and video August 31st. And now, our feature presentation.
This was a modified original version. Performed after your TV.